In this video, I will show you how to book Japan Airlines with miles. So for this one, just input right here your actual language that you would want first. I'll head over and choose in here English first. Then after that, you should be able to book some flights. So input right here a city in or outside Japan. So for example, let's input right here Tokyo. Then after that, let's input right here Osaka as our destination airport. Now from there, input right here your date. Let's choose February 8th until February 22. Now click on next and then input right here the number of passenger as well as the class that you would want for this. I'll choose in here economy class and click on next and then click on the search flights option. Now if you want to book it using miles, they actually have a mileage program that you can utilize. However, do take note that you first need to log in first in order to pay for those. So it also have the option to pay for those on the checking page or to the payment page. So just choose in here this option and then I'll head over and then choose in here another option for this list. I'll choose in here economy class and I'll choose here as our actual return flight and then it should be able to show you in here this one. So for this, just head over and then log in and continue in order to use the child mileage bank members or as well as non-members in order to join the flight part.